Hey, what's up guys? I do hope you are all having a great day. Today is day number 5 of the December daily uploads, and in today's video we are going to be replacing the majority of the interior lights on the E46 with some LEDs. So with that being said, let's get on with the video. So to do this LED swap, all you really need is a flathead or a pry bar tool and some LEDs. Make sure you get the right size. I bought these a while back, but I don't know if they still work or not. They've been in the garage on my shelf for the longest time, so let's put them in and let's see how it goes. If you guys have watched my previous videos, these are the exact same LED lights that I had swapped into the F-150. I had some lying around still, so I thought may as well put them inside the E46 now that we have begun to work on it. These should work for the majority of the lights, except for the dome light. The dome lights use a different type of bulb, so I can't use it for those. I have placed them on order, so when those come in, we'll put those in as well. So for now, the first one we're going to be swapping out is the glove box light. So when you just pop open the glove box, and you can just pop this right open, I believe, like that. Oh, that should not have happened. Anyways, there's a bulb right there. It should fit. Pop out the old light if you can. Pop that right out. Here's a comparison of the size. These ones are bigger, so it might work for all them. And yeah, take that out. There's the first one. There you go. Just pop that right back in place. There's your first one. Alright, so now the next one is right underneath the passenger side footwell behind the glove box. Here's the old one. And same thing, take a pry bar. Where is it? Right there. Take a pry bar and pop it right out. Now I'm going to disconnect this one and then show you guys how to change it. Now that you have it out, you just take your thumb and just slide this back and remove the covering. You can swap them in. Now that I got that in, you can see that it is very bright. There's bulb number 2. Now let's hop over to the driver's side. Now on the driver's side, it's in a similar spot. It's right behind the OBD2 sensor port or connector. Right behind that, right there. Just pull that out as well. Same thing. This one's the same thing. Just pull with your thumb. Pop it off. Just like that. Pop that off. There you go. And slide this one out. And put in the new one. And there you go for the driver's side. Now let's go inside the trunk of the car. Inside the trunk there's 2 lights. There are 2 bulbs, one on each side. This one's pretty much the same thing. On these lights on the side here there's a small tab. You can probably put the pry bar on there and pry it right out. Like that. That removes the cover and you have access to the bulb. And here's the other side. Now both the ones inside the trunk have been swapped. Now I'm going to go over the ones that I don't have the right size bulb for and explain how to swap those out. Alright, so now we're inside the car, and for the dome lights right up here, way to remove this, take your flathead or pry bar. Put it right underneath here to pop this out. And be gentle with this one. Just be gentle with it. And the whole thing pops right out like this. Pull out this way. Now as you can see here, the bulbs are, let this hang. So now as you can see, the bulbs are right here, and right in here. So to do this, you just twist it out. You twist it out. Here's the old one. You would swap this out with the new one and put that back in. Do that for all 3 of them and just pop this back into place. So the last ones you need to swap these ones right back here, and this much is pretty much the same thing. You pry it out. This one is pretty much the same thing as the dome lights. You twist this off to change them out, then twist them back in, and then you just put this back in like that and pop it right back into place. And there you go. Alright guys, and with that we have swapped out the majority of the interior lights to LEDs. I chose the bright blue because I just like how it looks. Now, as you guys have seen in the video, we haven't swapped out the dome lights and the rear quarter lights for the passenger seats. So when I place an order for those and they arrive, I will swap those out as well. But with that guys, that's the end of today's video. I know it was a bit quick. I do hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please do pop a like down below and hit subscribe as well, as we are trying to get to 300 subs by the end of the month. And with that being said, again, hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll catch you guys in tomorrow's video. See ya.